The moment that we've all been waiting for is here. Introducing 5 powerful questions that are gonna make your relationship and dating life so much better. It's gonna be so much fun when you show up to date because I already know you don't have time. And if you're like me, you don't like to waste your time. I don't blame you. But we're gonna start to have fun when you go on dates so that they're effective and you're not wasting your time dating unnecessarily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dates to find out you don't like them, they don't like you, or being worst case being in a relationship for 1 to 3 years only to realize it is not meant to be. We don't have that time, and these powerful questions are going to actually maximize and make your dating life so much easier, so much fun. I guarantee it. So let's get started. Powerful question number 1. Again, remember what I shared. Take and adapt the question in a way that feels really, really good. But this question that I'm gonna share is so good. It's so good. Are you ready? This is when you're in a date and you're getting to know that individual. You ask them the following, or a good variation of it. You ask them, you are the superhero of your movie. It's a movie about your life. Who is your sidekick and what's ideally in your sidekick? What do they do? How do they behave? How do they help you? You are the superhero in the movie of your life. What does your sidekick do? Now, why is this question so powerful? What makes this question the question that it is? What you're trying to uncover is learn, what do they want in a relationship? Because any superhero that has a sidekick, clearly that sidekick complements the superhero. Now, you're not going to tell them, I'm the super in my movie, and what do you as a sidekick, what would you do to complement me? No. Remember when I was sharing the challenge and the masculine way of showing up to dates? That's that masculine way. We already know you're the superhero in your movie. You don't have to tell him. This is about getting to know him, that person or her, that individual, getting to know them and understanding what matters to them. And more importantly, what matters to them when it comes to a relationship. What are they looking for in a relationship? When they describe that sidekick and they say, I think a sidekick would know how to just come up with all the things that I don't remember to do. It's like, oh, great. Tell me more about that, right? We're practicing that open, active listening, and we're starting to uncover what is it about that quality or those characteristics that they want in their sidekick. And you're starting to identify simultaneously, do you have those qualities? Do I have these qualities as a sidekick? Because again, they are the hero in their movie of life. And you're just trying to understand, what do they care about in their sidekick, to then understand what are the qualities and characteristics that they want, and then you can assess whether they meet your qualities and characteristics that you have. Now, what generally happens with this type of question is that they will ask you the same question. Well, tell me about your movie. You're the superhero. You're the hero. You're the protagonist. What does your sidekick want? And they generally also want to hear, and they're unconsciously trying to find out if they are meeting those things too. It's very subtle, very powerful, but very deep. And that's what we want to understand. What do they want in a relationship? And how does that fit to your own values, characteristics, and whether you're aligned? Very important, powerful question. Have fun as you uncover this question. Now, this is a really good one to ask at the beginning or middle of a date, just as a fun, playful way to open up the conversation, especially with guys and even girls. Who doesn't love a good superhero movie?